engine feels powerful.
Give with Golf X-ray. Alpha is ready for departure 06.
Delta Zulu, report your position. Golf Delta Zulu, the southwest to runway 06. Roger, report final. Break. Golf X-ray Alpha, runway 06, take off your discretion. It's 140 degrees, less than 5.
Take off Golf X-ray Alpha.
Are you ready? I'm ready. Ready green is the left-hand side of the runway.
Okay. And here we've got it well.
Let's go.
Good information. Good morning, readability 5 and taxi holding point runway 06, left-hand 30, it's the CAN H1015.
06 left-hand 1015, actually.
Beautiful.
Good information. Good morning, Golf Bravo.
Let's go.
Woohoo! Second 06 left-hand QC 1011, Bravo Whiskey. Bravo Whiskey, I've just got one other in the circuit. How will you be joining?
Lovely.
Bravo Whiskey, thanks, quite ahead.
That sounds nice. My family live in the Isle of Wight, believe it or not. My daughter, yeah, my daughter lives there. She lives in her house.
How old is your daughter?
She's 13.
Okay.
Yeah, my dad moved, he moved there when I was about 20 from London. So when me and my daughter's mum used to go over there, she fell in love with the place and moved over there.
Oh, right.
Yeah, I've got family in Bognor as well. So,
Oh, wow.
yeah.
Okay, let's have a look at flying the airplane then, fella. So follow me through on the controls.
Okay, final, sir.
And it's going to be very nice and gentle. Also hold the stick more gently than that. So I'm flying, you're just following me through, okay? Yep. You're gripping it a bit tightly right now.
Okay, cool.
Right, we're going to turn to the right, we look down to the front, we roll to the right like that, yeah. Stick back to neutral.
It's behind that traffic.
Yeah, finish turn, roll the wings level again. Yeah.
Behind,
And you're going to turn to the left. So you're pulling back on the stick, I don't know if it's inadvertently, okay? Yep.
Zulu Whiskey, Zulu, 10 miles to northwest.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, and if you want to roll to the left,
Yes, when we
go to the left like that, yeah.
011. 06 left-hand switch.
Finish turn, roll the wings level like that.
Whiskey, Zulu.
Happy with that?
Yep.
Alright, fella, so you have control, okay? If you want to say I have control, I have control. There you go, so you have let's turn to the left, please. To the left.
Thank you, sir. Report overhead. Okay.
And now roll the wings level.
It's a very warm welcome to Google. When safe to do so, thank you.
Okay. I'm just going to get rid of air traffic at the moment.
Yeah, no problem at all. So if you go and partner with the red crosses.
Give red X-ray Alpha, well clear to the west of the company.
Company in a bit.
X-ray Bravo for X-ray Alpha.
And we're just between Chelsea and Bognor at 4,500 feet.
Roger, okay, the other side, thanks. Okay, so this is another turn to the right. Okay, I have control, you have control. Let's reverse straight into a turn to the left. Very nice, it's almost like you've done it before. Yeah. And roll the wings level now. That's super stuff. Okay, lower the nose now to get a bit of speed on. Okay. Lower the nose a bit lower, yeah. How's that? That's fine. So now what I want you to do is lift the nose up quite high above the horizon. So pull back on the stick, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, and hold it there. And now push forward on the stick quite firmly. There you go. Whoa. When you push forward on the stick, you get less than 1G. It feels a bit weird, doesn't it? Now let's go straight again. Wow, that did feel weird. Go out of control.
Okay.
Yeah, follow me through all the time now, Steve, unless I say otherwise, okay?
Okay.
So everybody gets in the G on.
Yep.
We squeeze back on the 6. So we do it in a turn, like this, and we squeeze back on the 6 now.
Right. Yeah.
And we're going to squeeze back on the 6. That's about 2.5 G. And whenever we unload on the 6 like you did before, I'm going to do a bit more this time.
Okay.
Then the G reduces. Okay, so that's less than 1, as you can feel.
Yep.
Feels a little bit strange. So
It does feel strange, yeah.
Wow. Okay, let's have a look at manoeuvring in 3 dimensions now. So imagine there's a barrel on the left-hand side.
Yeah.
You're going to go round the outside of the barrel.
Around the outside.
Round the outside, round the outside. There we go. Yeah. Wow. Nice and gentle. Positive G all the way round. How is that?
That was brilliant.
Loved it. Okay, let's have a look at a roll. This is what you're going to be able to do. I'm going to demonstrate first. Okay, so the aileron roll, we put the nose just above the horizon like this. So it can go all the way round to the left like that. Let's stop those. Move away from Thorny Island. How you feeling, Steve? You up for the ride? Really good. Check the camera's working okay. It is. Camera's working good? Whoopee! So we'll set you up for a roll. When I give you control, all you have to do is say, I have control, and then put the 6 on the left.
No, just hold over to the
I'm
left.
going to put it in the right place. Okay?
All right, yeah, I'll just do it to the left.
That's exactly right.
Okay.
Right, stand by. Do you have control?
Okay.
That's nice. Yeah, baby, keep rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. That's great. Now pull up on the stick, pull hard back now with the fly loop. Pull back, keep pulling, that's nice. Keep pulling, all the way around, fly loop. Yep, this is good. Now just keep pulling, pull harder. Yeah, pull. No, you're not pulling, you're pushing. That's good, yep. And now pull gently, and now pull harder. That's nice. I have control. Okay, you have control, absolutely. Right, go, hey! That's very nice. This is the lookout turn, we call this a wing over. Okay. Unloading over the top. Bit of free energy. How you feeling, fella? Really good? Okay, I'm all good greeners. I'm going to fly another loop now. I'm going to do a flick roll over the top. This is what I'm having on. Okay. The Isle of Wight, that is the Isle of Wight, yeah, beautiful. It's really small on it. If you look to the right hand side, you can just about make out the white cliffs by the Needles.
Yeah, you can, yeah. There's rides. My dad lives in Braining, which is the other side of the island.
Right, so just straw turn, that's what you wanted to look at.
Yeah.
There's the LSR, bridge for vertical. Yep. Right, let's look out the left-hand wingtip. Yep. That's the way it goes. That's going straight up there.
Yep.
So we run out of energy, we're going to rudder the airplane around like that, or I'm going to rudder the airplane around. Hold the down line, ease out the line. How you feeling? I'm feeling good. Okay, so this is another one that you can fly. Let me demo. It's called a half cubanate. So we go up to the loop entrance. Yep. Get our feet on the inverted horizon. Right. And then we check forward there like that, holding it there and rolling.